Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on auto brightness for your iPhone. How to turn on auto brightness, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up your settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, I want you to tap on accessibility. You can see once you scroll a little bit down, you are going to see accessibility. So tap on that accessibility. Once you tap on accessibility, you want to tap on display and text size. So let us tap on display and text size over here. So once you tap on display and text size, it will bring you to this page. So once you get to this page, you want to scroll down. Once you scroll all the way down, you're going to see where it says auto brightness. This is where you get to turn on the auto brightness for your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually turn on auto brightness on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.